Hey everyone, the desktop computer world is about to get turned upside down, and this time, the revolution is coming in one of the smallest packages ever made. For decades, we were told that real power required a massive, noisy tower under your desk, power-hungry, bulky, and always running hot. But Apple is about to completely shatter that old belief with the upcoming M5 Mac Mini. If the latest leaks and supply chain reports are accurate, this tiny desktop could become a serious workstation killer while staying small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Whether you're a student juggling assignments in India, a video editor working from a small London flat, or a developer coding late nights in New York, the M5 Mac Mini might just become the most exciting computer you'll buy this year. Why the M5 Mac Mini feels like a game changer. Apple completely changed the rules of desktop computing when they switched to their own custom silicon chips, starting with the M1, then M2, M3, and M4. Each generation proved that a compact machine could deliver shocking performance without needing a giant cooling system. But according to fresh leaks, the M5 Mac Mini is taking things to an entirely new level. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. Apple is reportedly engineering a true professional powerhouse inside the same beloved tiny aluminum body. Here's what the rumors suggest. Workstation-level performance that can easily handle the heaviest workloads. Insane efficiency, very low power consumption, and almost completely silent operation. Powerful enough for 8K video editing, complex 3D rendering, heavy software compilation, advanced AI workflows, and running multiple virtual machines without breaking a sweat. Imagine this. You place the M5 Mac Mini under your monitor, and it basically disappears. No more messy cables, loud fans, or overheating issues. Just smooth, silent, lightning-fast performance from morning till night. Real-world performance that matters. Picture a freelance video editor in Mumbai finishing an 8K project without needing to wait for renders. Or a music producer in the UK layering dozens of tracks with zero lag. A software developer compiling massive code bases in seconds. Even photographers processing hundreds of raw images instantly. This tiny box is designed to replace much more expensive and bulky traditional workstations. For years, professionals had no choice but to invest in huge towers that took up half their desk and sounded like jet engines. The M5 Mac Mini flips that reality completely. The end of bulky desktop towers? The best part? This could mark the beginning of the end for giant desktop towers for many users. Video editors, photographers, graphic designers,